Hello.
What's your name?
My name is Audley Buckle.
Audley Buckle.
Audley Buckle.
Where are you from, Audley?
A little village in Yorkshire called Huddersfield.
Nice. How old are you, if you don't mind me asking?
I am 68.
60, great. Yes.
Can I ask a question? Tell me why at 68 you've decided that this is your time.
I've been singing since I was 5-year-old, and I've performed behind a lot of big artists,
Like,
supporting Act 4 Bob Marley.
wicked.
Yeah? Yeah, and I think it's my turn. They had their turn. It's my turn.
Got it.
Hope it goes well. Good luck.
Thank you.
Go for it!
Chicken and chips, chicken and chips, chicken and chips tonight. Chicken and chips, everything's gonna be alright. Chicken and chips, chicken and chips, chicken and chips tonight.
My kind of song.
No, I don't want no bread and butter. Don't want no chips with bits. Don't even want fish and chips. All I want is chicken again. Chicken and chips, chicken and chips, chicken and chips tonight.
Chicken and chips, chicken and chips.
Everything's gonna be alright. Chicken and chips, chicken and chips, chicken and chips tonight. Chicken and chips, chicken and chips, everything's gonna be alright. I don't want no bangers and mash.
No.
I don't want no pie and
What do you want?
I don't even want Yorkshire pudding. All I want is chicken and chips, chicken and chips, chicken and chips, chicken and chips tonight. Chicken and chips, everything's gonna be alright.
Vegetarian. Hey,
Chicken
chicken.
and chips, everything's gonna be alright.
On that.
Woo! Quack, quack! Chicken and chips, everything's gonna be alright. Quack, quack! Woo! Thank you! Thank you so much!
Yes, Ollie!